All right, people ask me how I train Buddy, and there's really not a training dog park around here, so we had to come up with some ideas. Anyway, this black emoji thing that looks like a poo in front of you is actually his Kong. So let me show you how he does this. Pull it down. Pull it down. Come on, pull. You know you can do it. Don't quit. Come on. We don't quit. Come on. Good boy. See? So that's how we train Buddy. Little pieces. Yeah. So my knee is here. That's got to be at least a 2.5 foot gap up there. That's how he does it.